Okay, so let us begin. So good morning, good afternoon. So sorry, good afternoon, student. Once again. So like now, this before studying our topic now for today's practical topic. So like we will have some activities which will be performed, by Kyoda. Okay. Okay, Kyoda, you can start.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
दहलीज पे मेरे दिल की छोड़ के है तूने कदम तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम हंसी का मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना हंसी का मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम सच से ही ये तारीफ है दिल से जो मेरे करीब है Done, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you,
very
ma'am.
good. Please give a round of applause for Kyoda. Oh gosh, you're too good. You are too good. You are from which place, Kyoda?
Ma'am, Arunachal.
Oh, maximum of the Arunachal people are like a singer, a YouTuber, right? You will have a chance to go to Indian Idol if you try it. Your voice is very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so for my next class, I request this Balo to get ready, okay? Request Balo and who else? Yes, only one person is enough. Balo, for tomorrow class, you get ready, okay, Balo? Balo, can you hear me? Please respond. Balo Teki. Balo Teki. Can you hear me, Balo? Okay, Balo Teki is absent, I guess. No, not Samson. Okay. Pohor, will you perform for us tomorrow, Pohor? Pohor, will you perform for us tomorrow?
No, ma'am.
Why no? Those whoever are saying no, they will on their video next time and recite a poem without looking. Carly, will you perform for us tomorrow?
Sure, ma'am.
Pardon, what did you say? You'll perform?
Sure, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, then tomorrow Carly will perform for us. Okay, so coming into the today topic. Okay, so yes, that day when we were having this physiology practical class, I have discussed with you all a brief description about the vital signs, mainly focusing on the blood pressure. So let us have a little bit revisions of those. Okay, and I told you all that I will be showing you all the blood pressure, this definition in and all in PowerPoint. Now I have told you all. So today I'll be showing you all those things through slide. So let us rewind back, okay, to whatever we have discussed before. So Jiban, can you please tell me what are vital signs? And I have told you all also in short how to study. Jiban, if you can answer, I'll pass to Samson. And then Sni Suchiang, I'll pass her. If no one could answer, then hurry up. Okay, next Samson, can you please say what is vital signs or what are vital signs? Samson?
Vital signs means yes, ma'am.
Yes, see.
It's
Temperature?
temperature of blood.
temperature, and I taught you all the short form, na? Temperature,
Yes,
TP,
ma'am.
something I thought. Say that.
PPR. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And
And BP, blood pressure.
yes, very good. And from your syllabus, in your syllabus, among all those vital signs, we will be mainly focusing on blood pressures because that is under this practical syllabus now. So about the blood pressure, also I have given you all the normal values, as well as from which value it is called hypertension, hypotension. All these things I have given you all, and what is pulse pressure, that is the differences between the systolic and diastolic pressure is known as the pulse pressure, and the value also I have given you all, and even the unit also. So what was the unit of blood pressures? Smita, what was the unit of blood pressure? You don't know.
MMSG, ma'am.
Yeah, you have to mention of, okay? of Hg, OF, yes, of Hg. I have like prepared a slide. I'll show you all. Okay, Shilunok, what was the normal value of blood pressure? Shilunok, what was the normal value of blood pressure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what was the normal value of blood pressure? Say. You have to check the blood pressure of someone. So how can you say to that person?
120, I think. 120 by 80.
Yes, okay, very good. It's 120 by 80. Don't tell I think, okay? You just say that with confidently that it's 120 by 80. Okay, Shiranok, thank you. Okay,
Okay,
okay, let me show you all the slide, okay? Okay, everyone, can you see the slide? Can you see the slide now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please listen carefully, okay? This blood pressure is very, very much important, and I won't repeat again and again. So blood pressure that I have like already explained. Please don't make noise. Okay, so blood pressure, the definition is blood pressure, it refers to the force, okay, that is exerted by the blood against a vessel wall. So all these notes I have already given to you all, but in case while I was dictating, if you could not catch up or if you could not write it correctly, the spelling, everything, nah? So I have typed it again so that like I can send you this PDF. So you see this, okay, the definition. Blood pressure, it refers to the force which is exerted by the blood. The force that is exerted by the blood against the vessel's wall, okay? That is known as the blood pressure, pressure from the blood. So let me repeat again, blood pressure, it mainly refers to the force that is exerted by the blood, okay, against a vessel wall. And the maximum, not the minimum, the maximum blood pressure is exerted on the wall of the artery, okay? The maximum blood means the maximum blood pressure that is exerted on the wall of the arteries during ventricular contraction, means during contraction, okay, during like when the like heart pump, okay, during contractions, during ventricular contraction, okay, when the blood is pushed to this aorta through aortic valve. So that is known as the systolic pressure. So when you are asked what is the systolic pressure, so you just need to write the definition as the maximum blood pressure which is exerted on the wall of the arteries, okay, during where? During the ventricular contraction, when our blood is pushed through the aorta through aortic valve. Means blood will be pushed through the aorta, okay, aorta, through with the help of what? Through this aortic valve. And this is the maximum blood that is exerted on the wall of artery. This maximum blood pressure is known as the systolic pressure. Then the other one that is diastolic pressure. So diastolic pressure is what? The lowest pressure which is exerted on the arterial wall during ventricular relaxation. Before, what we have discussed was systolic pressure, okay? Systolic pressure was the maximum blood pressure which is exerted on the wall of the artery during ventricular contraction, okay? During ventricular contraction. Whereas this diastolic pressure is the minimum blood pressure which is exerted on the wall of the artery during ventricular relaxation. So this is the difference. Just try to know. Here, यहाँ पे maximum blood pressure exerted हो रहा था during ventricular contraction, that is known as systolic, whereas in the lowest whereas in the systolic, what is that? In place of maximum blood pressure, you write minimum blood pressure, okay, or else the lowest blood pressure that is exerted on the wall during ventricular, this contraction will be replaced by relaxation, okay, when your ventricular is relaxed. During ventricular relaxation is called diastolic pressure, okay. और ये दोनों का डिफरेंस, जो सिस्टोलिक प्रेशर और डायस्टोलिक का जो डिफरेंस है ना, उसको बोलते हैं पल्स प्रेशर. एंड द नॉर्मल ब्लड प्रेशर, the normal pulse pressure is 40 mm of Hg, whereas the normal blood pressure is 120/80 mm of Hg, which I have already like discussed you all, except the like this introduction part. So are you clear what is systolic blood pressure and what is diastolic blood pressure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just all this remember, okay, all this I have like I means like I have given the color all this so that it will be like easy to note it down or jot it down, okay. This 120/80 is the normal, and the pulse pressure normal is 40 mm of Hg, and if the blood pressure is 150/90, or else if it is more than 150/90 mm of Hg, it is known as hypertension, that is high BP, and if it is below 90/60 mm of Hg, it is known as hypotension, that is low BP. That is all we have discussed. So coming to the next point, this I won't repeat again this one, okay, because I have already explained to you all, but I'll be sending you all the notes. This factor affecting blood pressure, that all of you still remember, I have discussed very nicely. Factor affecting blood pressure, all those age, time of the day, sex, relationship to food intake, exercise, body build, emotions, posture, disease condition, drugs, all these you still remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because I won't give you all the details, okay, about this, because I have already explained. So if any one of you have missed out all these things, then like you can go and like listen from the link. Okay, next, what we will be discussing, what are the these articles, okay, articles that is required for this checking blood pressures. Means क्या सामान चाहिए, क्या चीज चाहिए, और क्या materials या articles चाहिए, हाँ, blood pressure check करने के लिए. What are the things that are needed to check the blood pressure? We will be discussing one by one. So all those articles, okay, all those articles that are required for checking BP will be kept in a container, okay, or will be kept in a tray, in a big tray, okay. It will depend on the like the articles. So the article, these are the articles and these are the rationally. So article means क्या सामान चाहिए, okay, and then this rationally means जो सामान चाहिए ना, वो कैसा use किया जाता है. So these are the articles, mean the things that are required, and rationally means how these things are needed to be used. Okay, are you clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
let us see what are the articles that are needed. Number one, this sphygmomanometer. Okay, try to like pronounce it nicely and try to like write it down the spelling nicely. This is sphygmomanometer. Okay, sphygmomanometer. Okay, this is the name of the instrument, the name of the articles. Okay. A sphygmomanometer with cuff of an appropriate size. This sphygmomanometer, it is attached with the cuff. Okay, it is attached with the cuff. I will be showing you all how the cuff looks like. It is attached with the cuff of an appropriate size. Okay, with cuff of an appropriate size. And why this sphygmomanometer is needed? Why this articles is needed? This is needed to record the blood pressure. Okay, so without this instrument or without these articles, we cannot record or we cannot check our blood pressure. So this is the use to record blood pressure. So number two, stethoscope. why stethoscope is needed in checking blood pressure? In order to record the systolic and diastolic pressure. जो systolic or diastolic pressure है ना, if it is 120/90, then 120 was the systolic, is not it, and 80 was the diastolic. So in order to check that systolic and diastolic pressure, we need stethoscope. तो अगर stethoscope नहीं होने से, we can't check the blood pressures. Next, spirit swab in a container. So spirit swab means like you will be taking a small amount of cotton, okay? And that small amount of cotton you just take in, and with the help of the spirit solution, okay? There is, all of you know, I think, what is spirit. So spirit solution bottle में होता है, हाँ? You in a spirit solution, there is a spirit solution which is ready-madely prepared. So that particular spirit or that particular solution, you have to like pour it upon the swab or upon the cotton, okay? Gauze or cotton, whatever is available. So you have to pour upon them, and you have to make it as porous. जब cotton, छोटा cotton का ऊपर में अगर वो जो spirit water है ना, वो अगर उसको डालेंगे, तो क्या होगा? It will become wet, isn't it? When it become wet, we call it as spirit swab. And this swab we put in a container. हम container में रखते हैं वो जो swab है ना, ताकि why we keep in a container? Why not just keep in a surface? We keep in a container so that the spirit doesn't like disappear, okay? That is why we used to keep like this. Just like for girls, how you will know is nail remover, na? The nail remover, all those remover and all those we have, na? The yeah, nail remover. This, yeah, in order to like remove the nail polish, we used to use nail remover, na? And that nail remover also, like after using it, means after taking a slight drop, you again used to close, na? ताकि like उसका जो spirit है, that doesn't like goes away. So that in the same way, we also does this. In case of this spirit also, we does the spirit swab. So this spirit swab, why it is needed, or why these articles is required for checking BP? In order to clean the earpiece and diaphragm of stethoscope, in order to prevent transmission of infection. All these I will show you all in practical, okay? Like मैं दिखा के ये सब like दिखाऊंगी. ये to clean the earpiece and diaphragm. So in a stethoscope, there is an earpiece, okay? In a stethoscope, there is an earpiece, and that particular earpiece you have to like clean with this spirit swab, and as well as diaphragm of the stethoscope. In stethoscope, there is a diaphragm that also you need to like clean it. Okay, why do we need to clean this? In order to prevent transmission of infection. नहीं तो क्या होगा कि you are using a stethoscope, okay? After using it, again you are passing to your friend, use my stethoscope. So your friend is also using, because that stethoscope, what happened is that in order to hear the systolic and diastolic pressure, we used to keep inside our ear, isn't it? So if we keep on passing different person now our stethoscope without cleaning, then what happened is that that from that stethoscope itself, from the earpiece itself, it can be infection can be transmitted. So in order to prevent all those transmission of infection, after every use, we need to clean with the help of spirit swab. ऐसे पानी से भी clean कर सकता है, लेकिन that is not helpful. That is why we use spirit swab. Next is paper bag. So now we took that spirit swab, okay? Now you want to throw that spirit swab. Study first aid box में तो रास्ते पे ऐसे तो नहीं फेंक सकते ना, ऐसे नहीं फेंक सकते. So हमको क्या करना है कि in that first aid box you have to carry the paper bag, okay? You have to carry a paper bag, and this paper bag should be prepared by your own self. You have to prepare your own paper bag, and the spirit swab that you use, you need to throw under that paper bag, and as well as TPR sheet is required. And I don't have the TPR sheet with me. When I have, I'll show you all. Actually now like it's not available, nah? That's fine. If I have, I'll show you all. So TPR sheet is also needed in order to record the temperature, the pulse, and the respiration you have taken, na? You need to record. Means temperature itna mila, itna reading mila, pressure itna reading mila, respiration itna reading mila. All those things you need to write it down in a record book. Okay, if you have diary, then you just write in your diary, and if there is a TPR sheet, then you have to write down in a TPR sheet. So all this A paper bag was needed to discard the used spirit swab, and a TPR sheet and a record book, it is needed to record the finding at the same time. So are you clear with the articles? Now I'll be showing you all the, like, the ARPs and all. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, say.
how to pronounce that SPHY, ma'am? Sphygmomanometer or?
Yeah, sphygmomanometer. Just try to say in one line, okay? Sphygmomanometer.
Okay, ma'am.
Just wait a minute. Wait. Let me show you all. Can you see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so actually I don't have the spirit swab. Suppose let us just consider this spirits. I don't know. So this is the stethoscope, okay? This is the stethoscope. So this is the stethoscope. Can you see the stethoscope?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In stethoscope, okay, there is a way of putting stethoscope, okay? You see, you should not put this way, you have to put this way. Like, wait. I'll show you all when you come back practically. It's very difficult to. So these are the ARPs. This is the ARPs, this one. So I don't have the spirit swab, but suppose this is a small spirit swab. So you have to clean it like this with that spirit swab, okay? You finish and these two sides. This, because this is the part that you need to be inserted in your ear like this, no? You need to insert like this. So that is why, like, it can be contaminated. Now here there can be like transmission of infection. Some people might have ear infection. Nah? So what happened is that to prevent that transmission of infection from one person to the other, so you have to like clean after every use. So this, and like talking about the diaphragm, okay? So like the diaphragm is this one. This is the diaphragm, okay? So this is the diaphragm. So this also you have to clean with the like stethoscope, because when I will be showing you all the procedure now, like you have to place this stethoscope now, like this, you have to place it like this. So you have to clean this diaphragm, okay? So this part and this part to clean is very, very much essential. So, and there is a one like there is different kind of sphygmomanometer, okay? And the hospital what we mainly use is like, it is a very huge, so I kept in my hometown, so I could not bring it. So what I have with me is this one, the other one. You can also like have it this way. This is like very easy to carry now. So this is the sphygmomanometer. This is the mercury, where you will like all the reading are given here, okay? All the reading are given here. Like in all the reading are given here, like from 0 to 200, it is 0 to 300 it is given here. Like while assessing the blood pressure, now you will come to know this. Like if the person's blood pressure is 120/80, then here you will get to know this. Here it will go. This is the like this mercury, okay? And it's very, very easy to carry this. Next time I will show you the demo, okay? The procedure, everything. Now I'm just showing you all the articles. Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, don't worry. I'll show you all everything. I'll explain the part also, just how it looks like. Okay. Any one of you know what are the like sites of taking pulse? Sites of taking pulse.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. How many sites of taking pulse are there? Like how many sites we have through which we can assess our pulse?
I think there are 3 main areas.
Only 3?
Main areas, ma'am. Like one at the wrist, other at the elbow, front side of the elbow, and third one at the neck, ma'am.
Okay, it have got its name. Okay, Jivan, please take attendance. If it has got its own name, okay, like there are like wait, let me ask one more. Whom will I ask? Pahor, can you please tell me what are the sites of taking pulse? If you don't know, I'll just pass the question to other people. Let's not waste time. Because when we like record it now, it used to be only like 45 minutes, which is not at all enough. Pohor, okay, Pohor don't know. Okay, Asim. Okay, Samson.
No idea, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Okay, there are 9 sites of taking pulse. Okay, 9 sites of taking pulse. Are you clear? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
9 sites.
Yes, ma'am.
So let me like show you all. Okay, what are those 9 sites of taking pulse? Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay. See, these are the sites of taking pulse. Okay, see nicely. Let me not show you like this. I'll just show you all the picture directly. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
From in my next class, I will be showing you all practically. मैं पूरा demo दिखाऊंगी, हाँ. तो इसीलिए demo दिखाने का आगे you have to know where you need to like put the stethoscope, all those things. Okay, how you can assess the pulse and all. So this is your temporal. Okay, this is your like temporal pulse. These are the sites for taking pulse. So from here you will get the temporal. This is the one temporal. And this is the carotid. Carotid यहाँ पे neck पे, हाँ, यहाँ neck in this corner. This is the carotid. Can you see? Is it visible? Temporal, the side we just call it now. This temporal, the side is superior and lateral to the eye. Means the superior and lateral to the eye. Temporal pulse is present. Okay. Temporal, this the site of temporal. This pulse is present here. Between it means like. The side is superior and lateral to the eye. And when we talk about the carotid, okay, carotid, like you can simply call it, is present between the trachea and sternocleidomastoid muscle. Okay, there is a muscle. The name is the sternocleidomastoid muscle. Okay, between that sternocleidomastoid muscle and trachea, in between that two, there is a pulse known as carotid. Okay, carotid. Okay, when all your pulse cannot be feel, okay, suppose हम ये जितना भी 9 side of taking pulse है ना, ये सब pulse अगर if you can't feel anymore, then the last pulse, okay, that where it can define that a person is dead or alive. Okay, इंसान जिंदा है या फिर like he's no more alive. How you will come to know that the last pulse that you need to assess is carotid. Okay, carotid सबसे last pulse होता है. This is the last preferable parts. Okay, if the person is totally unconscious, you can't feel the pulse in the radial. Mainly we used to check, it's not in the radial. Heartbeat, we used to check this one. Carly said, na, here the most common part. So in the radial, we mainly used to assess the pulse. But all these are common. If you can feel here easily, you just feel it. In the brachial also, if you can feel it easily, because these are the common side. But when all these pulse, the area of the for taking pulse now, all this side, if you can't feel anymore, the last pulse that you should always feel is the carotid. ये carotid pulse decide करता है कि इंसान अभी भी जिंदा है या फिर like already dead. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So just try to know the site, like this temporal, this is carotid, this is apical. Okay, ये जो apical है, it is the apical pulse is present under the 4th, 5th, and 8th intercostal space. Okay, here because it's internally now we can't see now, so it is like present in this under the 4th, 5th, and 8th intercostal space. And then coming to the next is the brachial. ये जो brachial है ना, ये तो बहुत common है. This brachial. So this brachial, it is in this centricubital space. Okay, it is present in the centricubital space. And this radial. Okay, ये जो radial तो इतना common है. It is on the thumb side of the inner aspect of wrist. ये जो हमारा wrist है ना, where you to wear your watch here or bangles or whatever it is, or wristband or whatever it is on the thumb side of the inner aspect of the wrist. In the inner aspect of the wrist, okay, inner side. In the inner side, not the outside, okay. In the inner aspect of the like wrist, you can feel the radial pulse. And this femoral is alongside at inguinal ligament. All this in your inguinal area, okay. In the inguinal area, you will find the femoral pulse. And then this is also popliteal, okay. Ye popliteal jo hai na, what to say? It is best feel on your knee flexion at the back of the knee. Ye back, ye knee ka piche mein, ha. This is your knee na, at the back of your knee. Try to feel some pulse, okay? You just try to feel some pulse. The pulse that you can feel like at the back of your knee, okay? That pulse is known as the popliteal or popliteal. You can pronounce how you want. And then next is posterior tibial. Posterior tibial. This posterior tibial, like you can, the location is in the medial surface of ankle. In the medial surface, okay, in the medial surface of this ankle, ankle ka medial surface pe you can feel one pulse. That pulse is known as posterior tibial. And the other one, like it can be felt on this you know na, our dorsum of foot, in the dorsum of the foot, okay, on this imaginary line which is drawn from the like middle of the ankle to the space between the two. It can be felt here. You can see in the picture. Yahan pe. Like it can be felt on the dorsum of our foot. So these are the 9 side of taking pulse. It is very, very easy. Next, in my next class, I'll be asking you all, okay? After this class is over, okay, you just join again, because I just want to show you all how to make paper bag. How to make paper bag, because you will be using that spirit swab na, to clean this diaphragm as well as the earpiece na. So today I'll be showing you all the demo how to make paper bag. Aisa nahi ki wo kharidna hai, ha? You can make yourself. So all of you, like after 5 minutes, you join again, and you just hold one paper along with you all, so that we can make together. Then after that, we will end the class for today. So did you understand whatever we have discussed today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
If you have any question na, in my next class, like which you will be joining after 5 minutes, you ask me again, ma'am, mujhe us part mein samajh mein nahi aaya, is part mein samajh mein nahi aaya, like you just keep on asking me. Okay, then for now, that's all. Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.